of time and work. Okay, so I'm assuming that you have knowledge of all the concept of the time and work and how to solve the questions of time and work. Okay, because I'm not going to explain the concept of time and work. I'm just going to solve the question that how to solve this kind of questions. All right. So here the first question we have given is that Anil, Deepak, Dinesh together can complete a work in 35 days. Anil, Dinesh can complete the same work in 60 days. Okay, so in how many days Deepak alone? So here Anil and plus Deepak and Dinesh. Okay, plus they are taking 35 days combinedly, and Anil and Dinesh. Okay, these two person takes how many days to complete the same work in 60 days. Okay, all right. So here we are going to assume the work, total work. So how to assume the total work? We take the LCM of this. Okay, so how to take LCM? So 35 is 7 multiplied by 5 and 60 is 12 multiplied by 5. So 5 is the common, so LCM will be 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 12. Okay, right? So here 35 is 7 multiplied by 5. That means if I divide this number with 35, I will get 12. And if I divide this number with 60, 60 is 12 multiplied by 5. So I will get 7 here. So these are nothing. This 12 is the efficiency of this 3% and this 7 is the efficiency of these 2%. Okay, so from here I got the efficiency of these 3 and these 2. And now I want the efficiency of, okay, because I have Anil plus the Dinesh, so I will get the efficiency of this 12 and 7. So 12 minus 7, it will be 5. Now the question is, in how many days can Deepak alone complete the same work? So the same work is, the work is 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 12, and by with the efficiency of 5 it will take 12 multiplied by 7 days, that is 84 days. All right, here you can see that I did not multiply the number because okay, ultimately I had to divide these number, so better keep it in the factor form only. Now next question. A alone can complete a work in 14 days. B alone can complete the same work in 21 days. A and B start the work together, but A leaves the work, okay, 4 days after starting the work. So in how many days B will complete the remaining work? Okay, all right. So here again, I'm going to take assuming, okay, the total work, assuming, so 14 and B takes 21 days. So total work, I'm taking the LCM, that is 42. So 3 times 2 times, so the efficiency of A is 3 and efficiency of B is 2, so combiningly their efficiency will be 5, and they are working together for 4 days. Okay, because before after starting the work, A works for 4 days, that means for 4 days they were working together, so 5 multiplied by 4, they did the work of 20 units. Now we have total work the 42 units and 20 units have done, so we have remaining 22 units, and now these 22 units is being done by B, so it will be divided by 2, so 11 days. All right, option D. The next question is, A alone can make a chair in 40 days and B alone can make the same chair in 24 days. A and B are working on alternate days. A works on the first day and okay, and after that B works. So A takes 40 days, B takes 24 days. Now we have to take the LCM. So LCM, it can be 120. So 3 times, 5 times. The efficiency of A is 3 and efficiency of B is 5. Now they are working alternatively starting from A. So in the on the first day it will be 3. Okay, 3 units of work will be done, and on the second day 5. So this will goes on, right? 3 5 3 5 3 5. But if you combine the bunch of 2 days, the total work is 8 units. Right now here we have 120. So 120 divided by 8, it will be 15 bunch of days. So we have bunch of days, 2 days. So 15 multiplied by 2, it will be 30. Alright. Okay, next question. Surbi can do a piece of work in 24 days. She complete 3/8 of the work and then left. Amit can complete the remaining work in 10 days. Working together, they will complete. Okay, so now Surbi can do piece of work in 24 days. Now here what can we do that let's assume the work first. All right, and Amit complete the remaining. So I'm taking the what to say that total work in the multiplication of these days. So 20, if I take, you can take 24, okay, by taking the efficiency of Surbi as 1. So if I take efficiency of Surbi 1, so she takes 24 days, that means the total work is 24 units. All right, now she is doing 3/8 of work. 3/8 means, okay, 3 times, that means 9 units of work she does, and Amit can complete the remaining work in 10 days. So if you see this 24 minus 9, we have 15 units of work remaining, and this work has been done by Amit in 10 days. So we have 3/2 efficiency of Amit. Now working together, that means 1 plus 3/2, the efficiency will be 5/2. With the efficiency of 5/2, now they are working and they are doing 125% of work. What is the fraction value of 125%? It is 5/4, right? So total work is 24. So 24 multiplied by 5/4, and the efficiency is 5/2. All right, so 4 6 times, and 5 will cancel this. So 6, this 2 will go and multiply with 6. So 6 multiplied by 2, and the answer is 12. A can complete, okay, here it is not this number, it should be 33.33%, right? So A can complete 33.33% of work in 5 days. That means 1/3 of work in 5 days. So total work will be done in 5 multiplied by 3 in 15 days. Alright, and B can complete 40% of the work. 40% means 2/5. So 2/5 work in 10 days, right? So total work will be done in 5 multiplied 10 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, so 25 days. All right, they work together for 5 days and then B left the work. So we have the total, okay, total days. So A and B 15 and 25. So total work I am assuming 75. So the efficiency will be 5 and 3. Now they are working together for 5 days. That means efficiency of 8, right? Combining efficiency is 8, and for 5 days they are working. So 8 multiplied by 5, 40. So 40, they combiningly did 40 units of work. 75 units of work is total. So 35 is remaining, and it is being done by A. What is the efficiency of A? It is 5. So 7 days. All right. 9 women can complete a work in 4 days, and whereas 3 men and 6 women can complete. Okay, so this question is quite lengthy, but it is not that much difficult. So 9 men plus 12 women, okay, completing the work in 4 days, and the same work is being done by a different group of people. So I can equate it, right? Because we have the efficiency multiplied by days is equal to work. Okay, so the same work is being done, so I can compare these two things. Okay, all right, so 3m plus 6 women multiply by 10, so 2 times 5 times. So 18m plus 24w is equal to 15m plus 30w. Alright, so from here I can get that 18 minus 15 is equal to 3m is equal to 6w. Alright, so here we have 3m. Okay, so I'm not changing anything. So 3m I can directly substitute. I don't need to change anything. Okay, this is how you should solve the question. Okay, then now the number of days in which 15 women, and that should be compared with any of these. So I'm taking 3m plus 6 women multiply by 10. Okay, here number of days I need, so d multiply by, so d multiply by 15w, and here I have 3m is equal to how much? 6w, right? So 6w it will be 12w multiply by 10. So here I have 15, so w will cancel, so 3 with 3 it will be 5, and it will be 4 and 2 times, so here the days is equal to 8. Alright, so option D. If Arun can complete a work in 24 days and G Arun can complete the same work in 32 days, okay, alright. F and G starts the work together but G leaves the work 8 days before. Here we have given the, okay, that he is leaving the work 8 days before. Alright, so first we are going to calculate the efficiency. So F and G 24 and 32 days. Alright, so I am taking 96. So 4 times, 3 times. Okay, we got the efficiency. Now we don't know, okay, what is the number of days. Okay, because here it is saying that he is saying 8 days before. So let's say I'm saying that the number of days are X, okay, to complete the work they have taken. So I'm saying that F works for X days, okay, but G leaves 8 days before. That means G had work for X minus 8 days. Alright, so F multiply by X days plus G multiply by X minus 8 days, and the total work will be 96. The efficiency of F is 3, so 3x plus efficiency of X is 4, so 4x plus 3x minus 8, we got 96 here. So 4x plus 3x minus 24 is equal to 96. So 7x, right? So 7x is equal to, by taking 24 to this side, it will be 120. So x is equal to 120 divided by 7. Option D. Alright. Okay, next question. Again, A can do 1/3 of work in 30 days, B can do 2/5 of the work in 24 days. They work together for 20 days, complete the remaining work in 8 days. Working together in ABC. Okay, alright. So A completes the work in 30 days. That means to complete the 1/3 of work he takes 30 days. That means full work will be done in 90 days. Alright, and B 2/5 of work in 24 days. Alright, so he will do in 60 days. How? So 24 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, so 12, 60 days. Alright, now they work together for 20 days. Now the total work will be 180, so 2 efficiency and efficiency is 3. So combiningly their efficiency is 5 and they work together for 20 days. So the work has been okay, 100 units. So 80 total work is 80 units, 180 units. So 80 units work is remaining still. C completing the remaining in 80 days. That means it is the efficiency of C is 10. All right. Now if they work together, so if they work together, the efficiency will be 2 plus 3 plus 10, it will be 15, and 180 total work, so it will be 12 days. All right. 9 men can complete a task in 16 days, 4 days after they started working. Okay, five more men with equal workmanship joined. Okay, so here 25 men completing a task in 16 days. Now here it is saying that 4 days after they started working, 5 more men equal to workmanship. Okay, so that means workmanship means the efficiency. Join them and now, so total work I can say 25 multiplied by 16. And now what happened that 25 with the efficiency of 25, they work for 4 days and uh, after that 30, right? So how many days they will take? Okay, all right. So here we have 25 multiplied by 16. So it is 100 and plus 30D, and this one is 25 multiplied by 16. So 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. So it is 4 times, so 400. So here 30D is equal to 300. So D is equal to 10. So in 10 days. All right. Again, so 10 men can come finish a piece of work in 10 days, whereas it takes 12 women to finish in 10 days. If 8 men and 6 women undertake, okay. So 10 men, they completes in 10 days, whereas it takes 12 women to finish in 10 days. That means we can take the, again we can take the ratio. So 10 M multiplied by 10, and this work is being done by women of 12. Okay, in 10 days, so 10 cancel, so we get that 5M is equal to 6W. Here we need, okay, 8 men and 6 women is given, so I'm not doing anything here. So 8 men plus 6W. Now they are undertaking this task. So number of days, I can compare with any of these. So 10M multiplied by 10. Okay, so 6 women, this is equal to 5M, right? So 13M multiplied by D is equal to 10M multiplied by 10. So MM cancel. Okay, so D will be 100 divided by 13. So 7, 9, 13. All right, so this one is the answer. Okay, I hope you got it. So this is how you should approach the questions in your exam. This is how your answer, your solution should be. If you take much time, then you have to work on your concepts, you have to work on your speed. Okay, for that you have to do, okay, daily practices, and you have to improve upon yourself. Okay, so join me on WhatsApp so that I can send you a daily PDF, and you can see my videos on YouTube. So I'm giving the WhatsApp number here. So 9764482 Okay, so you can join me on WhatsApp. So here I circulate a set of 10 question on daily basis. Okay, so this PDF is also a set of 10 question. All right, so bye bye, take care everyone. All right.